Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before I will introduce myself, my name is Nur Afifa. I'm from Economic Education Program 19 in Faculty of Economy Padang State University. So here we'll discuss about able to design, develop and evaluate learning media. In the first material, we'll discuss about designing instructional media with the Azure model approach. The second is design learning media with Anderson model. Learning media, which means as an intermediary or medium or an introduction to message in learning that emerged in the 120 was in the form of visual education because not all children could understand the language used, namely Latin. Media in the learning process at this time is something that need to be considered in the learning process because now students are born in an era that requires intermediaries so that everything is easy to digest. In the procedure of developing and evaluating learning media, development activities include the first, identify student needs and characteristics. The second, formulation of instructional objects or instructional objectives. The third, developing success measuring tools. The fourth, writing media script. Next, formulating the assessment instrument, and last is learning media development. Okay, in the first material is designing instructional media with the Azure model approach. Anderson in 119 and 76 media selection models suggests that there are two approaches or models in the learning media selection process, namely a closed selection model and an open selection model. Closed selection occurs when the alternative media has been determined from above. So, inevitably, that type of media must be used if we choose, then what we do is more towards choosing which topics or subjects are suitable to be mediated in the certain type. So, for example, it has been determined that the media used is audio media. In such a situation, it is not a question of why audio media is used. To open selection model is the opposite of closed selection. That is, we are still free to choose any type of media that suits our needs. Alternative media are still widely open. The open selection process is more flexible in nature because we really adjust it to existing needs and conditions. And however, this open selection process requires the ability and skill of learning to carry out the selection process. A learner can sometimes do media selection by combining open selection with closed selection. Next, the type of learning materials can be classified as follows. The first, facts. The second, procedures. The next, principles. The next, concept. And last is attitude or value. And the second material about design learning media with Anderson model. Suggests that three are to approach or model in the selection process of learning media, namely a closed selection model and an open selection model. The first is there is closed and open. In the closed selection, in the closed election occur when alternative media have been determined from above. For example, by the education office or the Ministry of Religion. So, inevitably, that type of media must be used, even if we choose what we do is more towards choosing which topic or subject are suitable to be mediated on certain type of media. For example, it has been determined that the media used is audio media. And the second, the open election model is the opposite of the closed selection. In the closed election, that is, we are still free to choose any type of media that suits our needs. And the alternative media are still widely open. The open selection process is more flexible in nature because we already adjust it to exciting needs and the condition. However, this open selection process requires the ability and skill of teacher to carry out the selection process. A teacher can sometimes do media selection by combining an open selection with a closed election. These open selection models demand the skill and creativity of teacher in design learning media. Next, put toward the procedure of selecting media use flowchart approach. In the process, he proposed several steps in the selection and determination of the type of media determination, namely, the first, determine whether the message that we will convey through the media is a learning message or is it just general information or entertainment. The second is determine whether the media is designed for learning purpose or just a teaching. As for teacher props, if it just a prop, the process is also stopped ignored. And the third, determine whether the learning objective are more cognitive, affective, or psychomotor. 4. Determine the type of media that is suitable for the type of goals to be achieved, taking into account other criteria such as policies, available facilities, production capabilities, and costs. And the last is reviewing the type of media that has been selected, whether it is appropriate or there are still weakness, or is there an alternative type of media that is more appropriate, planning, developing, and producing media. Okay, that's all for me. I apologize for all of my mistake for my material, and last I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you and next.